like a baby. And your feet. She's sitting like a little baby inside her bowl. Oh my gosh. So cute. That is so silly, and her little tushy is just sitting like that. With her feet on your plate. Oh my gosh. A little piggy. A little huglet. Just kidding, she's a big girl. But she's so silly. The feet in the plate. Do you see that? There's 2 feet on each side, or 1 foot on each side. And just sitting there inside the bowl. Oh my goodness. Nice little Boba feet. She might climb inside the water bowl too. Yep, halfway there. Good girl, Boba. 3 years old and counting.